Hi, my name is Angie with Recycling Connections, and today I'm here to introduce you to the Home Composter bin. The Home Composter has 4 components. We have 2 sides, a locking lid, we have a door for each side, as well as 4 locking slides. To get started on putting your bin together, you're going to start with the doors. Like I mentioned, there's a door for each side. Your bin may come with the doors already attached, but if not, the doors just go on nice and easy. There's slides that just guide the door into place. The next step is going to be to put your 2 sides together. So you want to line up your sides, grab 2 of your locking slides. You'll see notches that go all the way down the side of the bin to help glide and lock your bin into place. Again, just line up those notches, slide it into place. The last step is our lid. The lid has one side has a nice little lip, the other side has a locking latch. So just slide that lip under the bin edge and lock your lid into place, and that'll help keep your lid from blowing away in the wind or from any critters being able to get into your compost pile. The composter comes with the composting cookbook, which gives you other how-to instructions as well as fun recipes for mixing up different blends of compost, as well as another instructions on how to assemble your compost bin. For more information on basics of composting, you can go to our website at recyclingconnections.org. Happy composting!